back to another mukbang. Today I have Sonic, and what I have today is chili cheese tater tots. I have a fish burger with just tartar sauce inside of it. That's it. I've never tried theirs, so I wanted to try it. And then they have these new little, they're called chickies, I think she said. And look at how cute they look. Little video guys. And I did get the Cinnabon. I think that's what they're called. And they come, yeah, Cinnabon. And they come with icing. So, yeah. So, let's dig in to all this good food. Y'all hear the cat? I also got a Coke. I felt like a Coke. I've been a good girl. I've been drinking juice, water. Juice and water. That's it. So I thought, since I've been a good girl, thought maybe, hey, I'm gonna cheat and I'm gonna drink a Coke. I should have put onions and jalapenos on here. Man, that would have been the bomb. So good. I've never tried their fish burger, so let me try it. My puppy's sitting right here, just waiting for something to fall. Let's see. It looks like they smushed it. I don't know if they did or not. Maybe because it was in the bag. It's well cooked. Tartar sauce just right. It gives that, doesn't have like a fishy taste to it. You know how some fish, they have like a nasty taste to it? Actually, it's good. Let's see, let's try this little guy right here. This is so cute. Look at that. He's like the size of, a little smaller than my hand. Look at that. It says, hand or fork? It's a question that's been asked since the dawn of Sonic. And it's a question you'll ask when eating your chili cheese tots. The good news is you don't have to choose because there's no more than one way to tot. It has that right here on this. This little guy right here. Let's try this. I haven't had a hot dog in a long time. Yeah. Hot dog tasted good. Not the greatest, but it tastes good. Let's try this little guy. What does it have in it? It has mayo. It has pickles. You see it? Mayo, pickles, and the little chickie. Let's try it. The pickle and the mayonnaise gives it like that extra kick. real good. Good. I'll wait to try that. Or should I? I'll wait. If y'all know me, y'all know that I try fish burgers from everywhere to see how they taste. And if I had to choose between McDonald's, Whataburger, Sonic on their burgers, I would choose Whataburger. I don't know why, but Whataburgers, they taste good, like awesome, like, I mean, Sonic's is good, like it's missing something. I don't know what it's missing. But overall, it tastes good. I didn't ask for this big. I told her, can I have the large? And before I can finish talking, she's like, okay. And like, she didn't even ask what I wanted large. I wanted the drink large. I wanted this the half size, the regular size, you know, so it wouldn't be so big on here. But she took it upon herself and think, yeah, that's what she wants. That's what I'm gonna give her. Mama. No. So, yeah. So, how's everybody's day going? How was work? How was whatever y'all do? How was it? For me, it was okay, I guess. Just one of them days at work. Couldn't wait to get home. Wasn't feeling the best today. Oh, bit my side. But I did go and get my phone switched out to the other phone. And guess what the lady told me? I went to a different place. I didn't go to the same place to get it switched out. The lady said that the phone that I just got is not a brand new phone. The phone I got is a refurbished phone. She's like, before we would have even done the insurance, before we would have even took your money, we would have did a reset on your phone. We would have checked to see if there was anything wrong with your phone. It's a 3-day process that we do before we even take any money from you. And I'm over here like, seriously? And she's like, yeah. I was like, well, the lady over there in the other town, she was acting like, just give me your money and we're going to send you a brand new phone. I'm like, my phone ain't even old. My phone's brand new. Shouldn't have been nothing wrong with it since it was brand new, but there was something wrong with it. And the lady's like, before I would have even took your money, I would have did a hard reset on it. Took the steps. And before even asking you for $50, I would have asked you for $15 for a warranty exchange. These guys are just looking at me. I need to try one. And like, just to do a warranty exchange. And once you do the warranty exchange, and if you're still having problems, we would have did the $30 exchange. We would have did steps before you even have to go to the insurance and deal with the insurance. And I was like, well, not those people over there in the other town. They were like, it was such a big deal, you know, that, oh, just give me your money and I'll send you a brand new one. And to come to find out it's not a brand new one, oh, I was hot when she told me that. Look at that. Look how good that looks. So yeah, I told that lady, I said, don't worry. I said, those people in the other town, I guess the customer service called me, and I gave them a bad review. And I don't care who knows about it and who says anything about it. Once I get bad service, I am not going to give you a good review. You are going to get a bad review for the job that you did or the job that you didn't do. All the little girl did was just take my money. That was it. Take my money. Your phone will be there tomorrow. Just put your SIM card in there and voila, it'll be working. Didn't work like that. Sometimes things don't plan out the way it's supposed to be. So, and then when I was leaving from that place, that phone place, the lady's like, well, you have a nice day, you know, come back. If you have any problems, just come back here. Don't go back over there to the other store. She goes, I'll help you. I was like, oh, okay, great. I was like, I really appreciate that. You know, she was real nice. And I really appreciated it. I was like, shout out to you, girl. I didn't get your name, but yeah. Shout out to the girl who's in my town that works at the Metro PCS. Yeah, you did an awesome job. Stop hitting the table. You're making the thing move. So, yeah. Anyways, when I was walking out the door, you know what she told me? She's like, well, when customer service calls you, please don't give me a bad review, please. I said, don't worry. I go, you help me. You let me know some information. You are not going to get a bad review. You are going to get a good review. So, yeah. I told her I was going to give her a good review. She was real nice. I just hope this other phone works. And I don't have no problem with it. I don't want no problems with it. You can hear my cats. You hear my cats in the attic. I like this one. Oh, my pickle. I didn't get all of it. Um. Sorry, guys. I've been wanting to do it. When I ordered my, not the black bag, but the red bag, the 2 times spicy, when I ordered that bag, it had like a bundle, and it came with some chopsticks, and they're reusable. Oh my god, they're so beautiful. I fell in love with the chopsticks. I was like, I am going to use those for my noodles. So y'all can see them. It has, like, when it hits the light, it has some real pretty colors on it. Oh, I just fell in love with them. I'm done with these ones. I can't eat that much chili because I'll start getting heartburn real bad. And then I won't be able to go to sleep. Which, tonight, I need to get some sleep. The last 2 days, my dogs haven't let me sleep. I slept in the living room one night. I think Sunday I slept in the living room. And I was able to sleep, but I hurt the next day because of my back. But I was able to sleep all night. But when I went to the room to go to sleep in the bed, yeah, my dog wanted to be barking all night. I don't know why. I don't know if there's somebody like out the window. If there's a cat. Or if they hear the cat from the attic. I don't know. Seriously, have y'all ever read what's on these little packages? This one right here, I guess it's for the mozzarella sticks. It says, dunk you very much. Our mozzarella sticks were made to take a dip or a dunk or a swim. So if you're going to bathe them in marinara, just remember to leave the floaties at home. Really? Look at that. I never knew that they had this on there. First time for everything, huh? I never pay attention. Usually I'll leave the bag in the bag. You know, you get their little brown bag. And I would just leave these inside the bag and I'll just pull them out one at a time. And I never pulled out the little box. Or if these were in the little other, you know, the little square rectangle box that they put everything in. I would just leave it in there and I never pulled it out to see what it says. What does the big one say? Hold on, baby. Oh. Conquering the coney. Eating our foot-long quarter-pound Coney is a royally monumental undertaking, but if you conquer it, we'll give you a title, Queen of Chile or King of Chile, perhaps. And with a name like that, ye shall be considered Sonic royalty. I've never read these before. I never knew they had that on there. That's cute. I mean, to read them. My happy dance because I'm excited to do the challenge. But first, I'm gonna go and look at other people. I go like this because I have a TV on top of me, right above me. I'm gonna go and watch other people that's done the challenge and see how they take it, how it is for them. So yeah, kind of scared, but excited. Probably do it tomorrow. I have some stuff coming in tomorrow. I never knew these things were so good. Yeah, I'm gonna freak out on some of the stuff that I bought. I did get me a mic, so I'm so excited for that. I can't wait till I get it. If I get it tomorrow, I'll probably use it to do the challenge. So this phone looks so weird compared to mine, or the first phone that I had. This one, all the buttons look so big, and I lost all my contacts, I bet. Oh, once I start a conversation, I'll see it here. There's nothing there because it's all on the other phone. I have to go and switch everything over. Don't you hate that? Don't you hate that you have to go and reinstall everything, uninstall certain things, make sure it has this, make sure you don't have this, make sure you need to put this in there. It's just crazy. Okay, Sonic. You could have put a little bit more tartar sauce in that. And I thought I told her extra tartar sauce. While I was there, I was sitting there minding my business, right? Push the button. How am I supposed to know that one stall didn't work? I mean, am I supposed to read between the lines? Am I supposed to read somebody's mind and look at somebody while they're staring at me and be like, oh, it doesn't work? No, I can't do that. So there's this lady, that walks out. She's like, ma'am, this stall isn't working. The speaker's not working. We're going to have to, I'll take your order and I'll come back out here. And I was like, are you going to need a paper or are you going to be able to remember what I need? And she's like, yeah, I can do it. I'm like, okay. Oh. I'm like, okay. Told her everything I needed. She goes in, puts it all in the computer, the screen still works. It was just a speaker that doesn't work. So the screen still works. She was inside putting it all on the screen. All of a sudden, there's a car blaring their horn. Beep, 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 beep. And I'm like, what the? They doing that to me? And some little dude was just walking in front of me. And that lady calls the little dude. And he's like, what? Tell that person to move out of that stall. They need to move over there or over there. They can't park there. That stall don't work. How am I supposed to know that? Why are you going to be yelling at a customer? I felt like just driving off. Until the lady that took my order, she was like, I'm so sorry about that, you know. Because the lady was still sitting there waiting. But the other lady came out, the one that took my order, she came out and she's like, does everything look right on the screen? Is this everything that you wanted? I said, yeah. I said, yeah, that looks fine. And then she was like, I'm sorry about that lady, you know. I'm sorry that she's over there honking her horn at you. I was like, I'm supposed to know that this stall doesn't work? I mean, shouldn't y'all have a sign, you know, at least on the screen saying out of order or something, instead of just having it with nothing on there? Oh, we usually have a car parked right there. What good's a car being parked there if there's not a car there and there is not no paper that tells you it's out of order? Come on now, use your head. So anyways, she's like, you know, I didn't tell her that, but you know, that's me thinking out loud. So she's like, well, just move, you know, this way. There was one stall open to my left and one stall open to my right. She's like, well, if you don't mind, can you just move to the right or to the left? And we'll bring your food right out to you. It's like, okay. Reverse it. I got real close to that lady's car that was honking, blaring her horn. That close. Her eyes got big, like a mofo. Well, I park, and I'm like, before I go all the way in, I'm like parked. Here's the little place where you order, and I'm like right here, barely going in. But I was doing it on purpose. I was doing it slow so I can look at the lady that was honking at me. And then I just wanted to stare at her and shake my head like, you just don't know, you know? You just don't know what I want to tell you right now. So I just kept on pulling up and I parked. And that lady was like, she just walks in like nothing. No, sorry, no, oh, I'm sorry that you parked right there. I'm sorry that nobody told you, blah, blah, blah. Okay, we're customers. We're not supposed to know these things. Put a sign on the damn thing. Okay, that's a strike for Sonic. There's a strike for my drink too. That's 2 strikes for Sonic. 3 strikes because they didn't give me enough tartar sauce. So yeah, I move over. I'm parked there, and then the little guy comes out. Another little guy brings my food, and he's like, I apologize about that lady. He's like, are you the one that was parked right there? No. He goes, are you the one that was parked right here in the stall next to this one? I was like, yeah. He goes, oh, thank God. He goes, they didn't even tell me where you moved to. I'm like, really? He's like, yeah. I was like, oh, well, they just told me to move over this way or on the other opposite side. I was like, that they told me either one. And he's like, oh, okay. And I was like, but I don't understand why that lady was blaring her horn at a customer if we don't know that the thing is out of order or if it's working or not. He goes, she yells at everybody. She yells at everybody. Everybody tunes her out. They just ignore her because that's how bad she is. I was like, shoot, they should do something about it for her acting like that. I would have already went off on her. Well, So he apologized. He apologized. Told me he was sorry. Told me how that lady is whenever she's inside the building. You know, I'm done with this. It doesn't have enough tartar sauce on it. Sorry, guys. I like the little chicken. So yeah, he apologized and he told me he was sorry, and he was like, I hope you come back, and I'm like, no problem. He's like, you know what? It's been since I started working here that stall has been out, that speaker's been out, and that's been since, what did he say? October? Are you serious? It takes y'all that long to come and fix something? Damn. Looks like my battery's fixing to die. The battery's always dying on here. So yeah. This little guy was good, but he has a lot of chili on him. I was going to make my husband hot dogs for work, but he wanted a burger, so I was like, I guess. If that's what you really want, then I don't know about eating all this sauce, so I don't want heartburn. I did buy him one of these. I don't know what it has on it. I think mustard and chili. And the other one has a chicken with honey mustard or the hot sauce or something. So yeah. Oh, I hear somebody calling. Look how good that looks. I hope y'all like my video, share my video. I hope y'all subscribe if y'all haven't already. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below. So yeah, I hope y'all like my videos, share my videos. I hope y'all subscribe if y'all haven't already. Let me know what y'all think. Don't forget to comment below. Hit that little bell so you know whenever I'm posting my videos. And until next time, bye.